Hi all, very good morning. This is Dr.Arvin, physio and counselor at Chaitanya Hospital. I am here today to present a short video on how to change the nappy or a diaper to your baby. So obviously it's a difficult task initially for the new parents, but yes, with time it becomes hassle-free and you get used to it. So without wasting any time, we shall start with the video. That is about how to make sure that it's going to be super easy for you to change the diaper or the nappy. So first of all, it's important, or you can say it's mandatory, to keep a basket very near to you, which is having all that stuff which is required during the changing process. So in the basket, we need the fresh nappy or the diapers, right? Then you need the coconut oil. You need certain cotton balls. You need a container with water. You can keep a pump bottle also, which is having a normal tap water. And except this, definitely you can keep a set of pajamas or socks if required, because when you put nappy in, definitely you need to have to change the pajama as well, because it gets wet too. But if you're making the baby wear diaper, then you might not need the pajama. So else than this, we need the changing sheet, which is important to be kept over the bed or to the area where you're going to change the baby's nappy or the diaper. So when you place that sheet, you make sure that it covers under the bum section, and then you need to place the baby over it. When you're going to change the diaper, it is important that yes, you need to use the diaper, like pant style diapers should be avoided in winters, because when you need to make them wear, you need to remove all the lowers first and then you need to make them wear to the child. So we're going to start up with the process that how you're going to change the diaper. So first of all, we need to know that when you're going to remove the dirty diaper, it's important that you're not going to drag it to the baby's skin in a deeper manner. It should be a superficial cleaning with the nappy or the diaper. That excess stool should be removed with the same thing. So when you're going to remove that, you have to keep that nappy or the diaper aside. Then you need to make sure that you need to use cotton balls. It should be a small ball, it should not be a larger swab, because if it's going to be a larger swab, you're going to drag it again and again to the baby's skin. So it should be a small cotton ball. You have to make that wet first, and that ball has to be squeezed a bit, and then you need to spread the legs of the child, and then you need to rub it over the skin with the wet cotton ball. So after cleaning it with one stroke, you need to dispose that cotton ball immediately, and then you need to use the another cotton ball. There are few instructions when you use these cotton balls, that the stroking should be from top to bottom, not from bottom to top, specifically in the case of girls, because it can lead to a lot of infections to the vaginal area. So the stroking should be from top to bottom, one stroke, and then you have to throw it off. Second ball, one stroke, and then you have to throw it off. You have to make sure that after using a wet cotton ball, you need a dry cotton ball again to dab over the wet area. You're not supposed to drag the dry cotton ball. You should just dab it over the wet area, so that the area should be dry completely. Because moist skin and the moist cloth, or you can say the wet cloth, definitely give rashes to the baby's skin. So you need to make sure that you need to dry out that area also. If it is summer or a sunny day, you can keep that area 5 to 10 minutes open as well, so that all the moisture which is there around should go away. Then whenever you are going to apply a new nappy or the diaper, that is the most important precaution while applying any nappy or a diaper, that yes, you need to apply good amount of coconut oil. The coconut oil has to be applied completely over the waistline, over the V area or the groin area, and then over the anal section. It has to be applied every time you're gonna apply a new nappy or a diaper. So when you're gonna apply it, you have to make sure that you have applied good amount of oil, and then you're gonna wrap it over the baby's belly. So this has to be used, like nappies has to be used, or you can say langot has to be used for first 40 days completely, because baby skin is super soft and it tend to get a lot of rashes if you use good amount of diapers. So make sure that you avoid diapers for first 40 days. Very important precautions are that yes, when the umbilical cord is still in contact, is connected, you need to make sure that the nappy line should be beneath that, or the diaper waistline should be beneath that. You can roll it downwards if you wish for, if it is coming over the umbilical cord. Then very important is that when you're using the diapers, if uncertainly, two precautions. One, that you need to change the diaper every 2 hourly. Secondly, you need to put good amount of coconut oil. 2 hourly changing is important, because if it is dry, if it is wet, obviously if baby has passed the stool, baby will cry and give you a sign that yes, you need to change the diaper. If it is not wet, still you need to change after 2 hours, as a sake of precaution that baby shouldn't develop any kind of rashes to the skin. It is important that you use nappies in the daytime specifically, and diapers might be in the night time if required, if there is no help around the mother. So this is something which is going to be definitely helpful a lot. So I'm just going to teach you how to make your baby wear this. This is already having a sign of front and back. This is a pamper newborn diaper, and this is important to be worn like most probably the pant style diapers in summers, because when you're going to make them wear in winters, you'll have to remove the pajamas or the pants first, and then you need to make the baby wear the same. So when you're going to make the baby wear this, you need to make sure that after applying coconut oil, you make the baby wear this, and then you need to stretch these sections also. So if they get accumulated hair, it will definitely give baby some kind of rashes to the groin line. So you need to stretch it out like nicely over this section. The baby feels free from this side, and you need to give a good stretch to this section as well. So if the umbilical cord is still in contact, you can roll this downwards so that the baby should not get impinged with the diaper. So this is something which is very important, that diapers are definitely a big relief to the mother, but yes, not that good for the child. And most importantly, they tend to develop a lot of rashes, so better to avoid diapers for first 40 days. And if we talk about rashes, never use any kind of rash cream without doctor's recommendation. That's very important. It's better to be precautious and applying good amount of coconut oil every time you are giving a baby new nappy or a diaper. So that is all for the video for today. We'll be seeing you for the next video soon. Thank you.